Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a creative calendar poster. Today we will design a calendar that designs looks boring. Start with an A3 canvas and also add large number of the month and minimalist date boxes. Then use photos that match seasonal mood, snow, sunshine or autumn leaves. Keep the typography clean and modern. Now add color coded highlights for weekend, and also include small icons or motivational quotes for daily charm. Once done, your calendars become both functional and stylish wall art. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel.